Hi everyone, welcome to our Cobden Street project. We are here on our final day and what a transformation it has been. The original layout of this laundry was really not functional at all for a family of 5. So what we're going to do is we're really going to utilise the space that we've got. We've really only got this one wall here, so what we're going to do is we're going to have our sink here, washing machine and dryer underneath, and then we've got a little pull-out hamper. And then over here we're going to have a large linen cupboard and broom cupboard. We're going to do some overhead cabinets here, new flooring, and then we're going to give it a nice lick of fresh paint. It's been a couple of weeks since we were here last and a lot has progressed since. Our floors and walls have all been levelled. We've got electrical and plumbing rough in. It's all been plastered and sanded. Today our joinery is getting installed, so we look forward to seeing that. As a small little detail, I've also incorporated a Oyster Grey stone handle, which is a really beautiful feature, and I think it definitely is one of my favourite things in this space. So we wanted to utilise as much wall space as we can. So due to this window positioned here, we've created push to open storage above. One of my favourite features in this laundry would definitely be the Zellige tiles. They are all totally different, so every single tile has a different thickness or slightly a different colour, which creates this really beautiful texture, and I really love it, and I think it definitely makes this space. On the floor we've used a 600 by 600 light grey terrazzo tile. The space is really narrow and quite long, so what we wanted to do is really try and make this space feel a lot bigger. So going for a bigger tile is definitely something that makes the space feel a lot longer. I love this laundry and I definitely would have it in my home, and I'm really happy that the clients love it.